On black you will 100% die. On red you have 60% chance of dying.
On orange you have 50% chance of dying.
On yellow you have 40% chance of dying.
I'm green you have 20% of dying. I'm blue you have 9% of dying. I'm pink you have 0% of died. On rainbow you have minus 2% chance of dying. On orange again you have minus 10% chance of dying. On yellow again you have minus 30% chance of dying. On green again you have minus 50% chance of dying. On blue again you have minus 99% chance of dying. On purple you have minus 100% chance of dying. On pink again you have minus 120% chance of dying. On rainbow again you have minus 150% chance of dying. On orange yet again you have minus 190% chance of dying. On yellow yet again you have minus 200% chance of dying. On green yet again you have minus 222% chance of dying. On blue yet again you have minus 250% chance of dying. On purple again you have minus 300% chance of dying. On pink yet again you have minus 500% chance of dying.
On rainbow star you have minus 700% chance on dying. On orange star you have minus 1000% chance on dying. On yellow star you have minus 1500% chance on dying.
On green star you have minus 2000% chance on dying.
On blue star you have minus 1,400% chance on dying.
On purple star you have minus 3,000% chance on dying.
On pink star you have 4,000% chance on dying.
On rainbow superstar you have minus 4,500% chance on dying.
On orange superstar you have minus 5,000% chance on dying.
On yellow superstar you have minus 6,000% chance on dying.
On green superstar you have minus 7,000% chance on dying.
On blue superstar you have minus 9,999% chance on dying.
On purple superstar, you have minus 11,111% chance on dying.
On rainbow megastar, you have minus 13,333% chance on dying.
On orange megastar you have minus 10,444% chance on dying.
On yellow megastar, you have minus 15,555% chance on dying.
On green megastar you have minus 16.6 thousand on dying.
On blue megastar, you have minus 20 Kelvin chance on dying.
On purple megastar you have minus 24,000 chance on dying.
On pink megastar, you have minus 30 Kelvin chance on dying. On rainbow gigastar, you have minus 36 Kelvin chance on dying. On orange gigastar, you have minus 40 Kelvin chance on dying. On yellow gigastar, you have minus 50 Kelvin chance on dying.
On blue gigastar, you have minus 200 Kelvin chance on dying. On purple gigastar, you have minus 300 Kelvin chance on dying. On rainbow super gigastar, you have minus 500 Kelvin chance on dying.
On orange super gigastar, you have a minus 1 meter chance on dying.
On yellow super gigastar you have minus 5 meters percent chance on dying.
On green super gigastar, you have minus 10 chance on dying.
On blue super gigastar, you have minus 20 meters percent chance on dying.
On purple super gigastar you have minus 30 meters percent chance on dying.
On orange omega star you have 80 million% chance on dying. On yellow omega star you have 100 million% chance on dying. On green omega star you have 200 million% chance on dying. On blue omega star you have 400 million% chance on dying. On purple omega star you have 500 million% chance on dying. On pink omega star you have 1 billion% chance on dying. On rainbow super omega star you have 1 trillion% chance on dying.